Are you tired of searching for the perfect steady spot? Do you need a quiet place to focus, collaborate with friends, or simply expand your knowledge without breaking the bank? Well, I'm thrilled to share a truly incredible resource right here in our city that's absolutely free and waiting for you. Nestled conveniently right in front of Cagayan National High School Junior High, you'll find a modern marvel. The Cagayan Provincial Learning and Resource Center CPLRC. Forget everything you thought you knew about public libraries, because this place is a game changer. More than just books, it's a hub for growth. From the moment you step inside, you'll be struck by the amazing ambience. It's meticulously designed to be conducive to learning, research, and collaboration. Whether you're flying solo on an individual project or diving deep into group research, the CPLRC offers the perfect environment. And here's why you absolutely need to check it out. Absolutely free access. Yes, you read that right. No membership fees, no hidden charges. It's open to all students, professionals, and anyone eager to learn. Cutting-edge resources. Need to type up a report or browse scholarly articles? They have computers free to use. Printing worries? Don't sweat it. You can print up to 10 pages for free. Inclusive and thoughtful spaces. The CPLRC champions inclusivity with a dedicated PWD persons with disabilities. Area. For our younger learners, there's an engaging kids play area so even the little ones can enjoy a stimulating environment. Specialized rooms for every need. Unleash your inner musician in the music room. Organize your study group or host a productive meeting in their well-equipped conference room. Practice your presentations or hold a viewing in the media room. Explore a new culture in the unique Chinese corner. Reflect and connect under the symbolic tree of knowledge. Modern conveniences. Stay connected with free Wi-Fi throughout the center and never run out of juice with ample charging areas for your devices. And yes, even comfortable comfort rooms for your convenience. The professionals retreat with a view. Head up to the 4th floor and discover a sophisticated cafe designed for professionals. Imagine sipping your coffee, getting work done, all while enjoying an amazing panoramic view of the majestic Sierra Madre. Talk about inspiration. Your new schedule for success. The Cagayan Provincial Learning Resource Center is open and ready to welcome you. Mondays through Saturdays from 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's an entire week filled with opportunities to learn, grow, and connect. Don't just take my word for it. Experience this fantastic resource for yourself. It's a true gem in Tuguegarao, designed to empower every member of our community. For the latest updates, events, and announcements, make sure to check out their official Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel for more.
Second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Wow. Pwede rin daw mag-donate ng research. Oh, di ba? Di ba, ma'am? Yes, ay si Kim. Paul Sai si isa. Si Sir Jonas do po, Ate Ali. May book siya doon. O yan, sabi ko, Ate Ali. Pwede dito mag-meeting. So for students research, for example, group research, they can discuss here. But they have to book po.
Pero per 1 hour lang.
1 hour, 1 hour. Pero pwede lang yung as soon as meron na sila dyan, nag-book lang sila on the same day. Okay na, 1 hour, 1 hour.
As possible po na wala po. Hindi ko occupied. Pwede po siya.
Pero since discussion siya, soundproof po ito.
Yes po. Hindi po siya narinig
Sa labas.
Ito din po nag-group work yung ito po yung charging area.
Very yan siya.
Behind na kasi pang millennial.
Minimalist, thank you.
Pero ang color po natin sa fashion
Dito para mas marami. Ay, 7 lang.
Pwede na po pumasok 3 to 7.
3 to 7.
For 1 hour. Yes.
Ano yung sabi ni Sir kanina na pwede i-book pang meetings, ganun. Ay, pwede.
Pero meron pa din ako.
Yung conference. Tapos multimedia room, sabi niya. Charging. Wala, very, very maganda ito para kay Miko din. Ang bata na yung hindi niya alam. Ganda yun po. Ito malakihan na siya. Ano, board meeting dito, anets. Okay lang daw. Wala daw tayong limit na open. Kasi nile-letter na siya. Naka-address kay Sir Mike. Basta 3 days. Oo. 3 days prior to the meeting, ano daw, i-book na siya. Perfect.
Yes.
Wala po siya. Ay, may third floor din. May third floor pa. Akyat tayo sa third floor. Third floor. Hanggang sa yung may coffee sa taas. Nagpa-function pa ba? Sana gumana na yung cafe sa taas. Ang ganda din. Ang ganda din yung cafe sa taas. So this is the third floor. Itong new and improved. Ay. Monitor.
Last October po yun. Pero ngayong November po is bio. Yes po. How to what?
Ako, John.
Sa Facebook page po namin, pinapost po namin kung paano po mag-register. So may link din po.
Wala naman pong age limit. So even for us, oo, pwede lang po.
Yes po. Pero yung po kasi is po hanggang 12 years old.
Sa mga bata talaga na maliliit.
Pwede niyo pa i-try kung hilig po kayo sa instrument.
Si ma'am, gitarista to. Oo.
For Saturday po yung
Di ba? The other version of Marco.
Kailan ang ano yung ma? Parang gusto ko rin mag-guitar lesson.
Siyempre,
Meron kang gano'n.
Hindi ko pa po alam kung kailan ang gitara.
gusto ko drums. Di ba?
Ilang araw.
Bakit na wala?
Every Saturday po kasi siya. For Saturdays.
So, open po kayo ng Saturday?
Yes po. 8 to 5 p.m.
Kasi I was always thinking na ano lang, school days lang.
Hindi.
Di ba?
Sunday lang po nag-8 ang
O, pwede tayo mag-meet lang pala dito ng weekends. Halimbawa sa Indians, dito tayo mag-meet. Di ba?
Pwede na kahit dito.
True.
mga collections po dito.
How about Korean? Dapat may Korean corner din, Japanese corner, gano'n. Namili pa yan.
And ito po yung Chinese corner.
Yeah.
Seminars.
Ako po dyan.
Yes.
Should be academic related or not necessarily. Basta meetings. Kasi may organization kami ni Ate Marco na pagkaan ay minsan kung saan kami nag-meet. If there's kung saan pwede pala dito. Even Saturday. Ayun, meron na tayo.
Private organization.
Yeah. Okay, kung saan sa Pacific naman. Okay.
Yes. May pre-paid printing din up to 10 pages.
Yung mga kailangan natin.
Pwede mo po
Mas pagante natin pati na nagagawa. Up to 10. Sulit na up to 10. Oo. Wala din pong limit. Wala namang time limit. As long as it's open. Oo. Available. Ay, may studio kasi. Good morning po. May studio sila. Ay, ang galing. Good morning po.
Kagandang alam mo.
May pang broadcasting. Ah, ang galing.
Pwede siya.
So, pwede hindi mag-record po dito. May broadcasting naman ba siya? Or photoshoot lang? Hindi. Para sa kanila lang.
For city.
Oo, for CPLRs. Ang ganda. Ay, kay Sir Mike. Ah, okay. Oh, sayang. Kompleto sila ng gamit. Correct. Well, next time we know. Ay, may taas pa. Ang galing, no? Nasa quarter na tayo mga ka-friends. Sa ating adventure for today. O, diba? O, ito na yung cafe. Sa labas na tayo, yes. Ito na pa yung 4th floor. Ate, ito mag-meeting. Ang ganda dito yung meeting. Kaya nga parang cafe. Yung view. Yeah. Yeah. Ang ganda. Dito naman, ano pa ang purpose din niya kung halimbawa kami, gagamit kami rito for meetings, ganun din, okay lang din.
Yes po. Kung hindi na po open ang
Baba.
multimedia discussion po.
Pwede dito. Correct, pang quiet moment, mas solo ka dito.
Maganda po kasi ang environment.
Kaya nga,
Kasi sobrang
sobrang tahimik.
nakafocus po mga professional.
Grabe, ang ganda. Bakit wala siyang restaurant? Charot.
Soon po, pwede ako mag-meet dito.
Kaya nga,
Pag di ba ako dito, at yung nakasala namin.
oo, yung Sierra Madre nga. Overlooking ng Sierra Madre. O, picture ka na dyan, muni-muni, nakatingin sa labas. Oo. Oo, sige na. Oo, sige na. Picture ka na. Picture ka doon, guys. Tingin ka doon, sa labas doon. Oo na. Muni-muni nga. Oo, ganyan. Ganyan dapat. Oo, muni-muni ang person. O, isa ulit. Tapos overlooking ng ano, ng Sierra Madre. Ang ganda ng kanilang ano. Pag mag-visit ka rito, kailangan mo mag-book. Yan. Must. Sobrang accommodating. Sobrang dami namin nalaman, natutunan.
Kasi ilagay mo na din yung name ni Ate.